Right, guys. Snowy Burlington, Ontario. The most snow I think I've seen in 10 plus years. So I'm going to take this out for a little spin on my street here, on my house. And for our friends in Mayorsville, beat the creek, beat the barn, well, we have to beat the big snowbank. I don't know, this camera doesn't do it justice, but that's easily 12 plus feet high. This monster at the end of our court here is our street. Getting another 15-20 centimeters of snow, I think. So let's see how the Redcat does. So for those that haven't seen this guy, this is my custom 3D printed body that I've been modeling up for this guy. It's kind of still in beta mode, but I've got magnet mounts now working. I don't yet have the front LEDs on it or the light bar. That'll come in time. The mix between PLA and nylon carbon fiber reinforced. Probably in the end I'll do all that to make it nice and tough. Anyway, so let's see how far we can make it here. Not very far. And I think I'm going to have to do a lot of editing on this thing. Got tire chains on this. My wife bought these for Christmas. See how they do. Just so much snow. It's also not very packed down, so I don't think we're going to make it very far in here. Maybe let's try the angle. Let's see. G7P and allows you to mount the standard GoPro mount to it. Maybe we need to start with something a little easier. Maybe that's what we need to do. Okay, pardon my camera work. I'm sinking in 2 feet of snow here with every odd step I take. Alright, another boost. We need a few days of a little bit of warmth and freezing to crisp up the snow a bit to make it a little more grippy. It's just there's so much fresh snow. It's been plowed up here. Look at that. We have progress. So we need another boost. Come on. In you go. Up you go. Again. Well, we can make it down. Let's do some donuts. My front yard, chamois. Anyway, folks, I think fun is done, so we're going to